Minimize the system dead volume by disconnecting the mixer chamber. The inline mixer can be replaced with an inline filter as shown here, or with a female-female union. The predefined method for the HiTrap Fibro PrismA unit is available in the latest released instrument configurations for ÄKTA Pure and ÄKTA Avant. The instrument configurations are available for download on the ÄKTA Systems homepage. Select the column position. A typical monoclonal antibody load is 80% of the dynamic binding capacity at 10% breakthrough. In this case, with a capacity of 35.7 milligrams per milliliter at 10% breakthrough, and a monoclonal antibody harvest concentration of 2.6 milligrams per milliliter, gives a volume of 4.4 milliliters. Define how to collect your elution peak. Typical criteria are 20 to 100 milliabsorbance units with a 2 millimeter UV cell, which is standard on ÄKTA Pure and ÄKTA Avant. Use a flow rate of 16 or 8 milliliters per minute during CIP to obtain a CIP contact time of 0.5 or 1 minute. Tare the test tube in which you will collect your eluate. Empty the outlet tubing. Start the method. Collect the eluate. Weigh the test tube with the eluate to determine the exact volume. Cleaning in place can be performed using 0.5 to 1.0 molar sodium hydroxide. The ligand and base matrix are stable to repeated cleaning, so you can run this CIP on every cycle if desired.